Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you all are fine. I am Ma'am Saira, geography teacher of class 8th. Let's start our new lecture. Open your books, unit number 7, climate of Pakistan. So dear students, climate of Pakistan. The climate of Pakistan is greatly influenced by its location, which is subtropical. Many parts of the country experience high temperature from March up to July. Now we will know about the seasons of Pakistan. Seasons are associated with the duration of daylight that affect intensity of sunshine. The variety of landscape that cause many variation in its season. So here we discuss 4 major seasons of Pakistan: spring, summer, autumn and winter. Now let us know about these seasons. First of all, we will know about the winter season. Winter season starts in most part of country in the month of November. Temperature remain 5 to 15 degree during the season. The winter seasons early start in the northern mountain areas because they are high above in the sea level. The next season is spring season. Winter is followed by the spring season. From mid of February, the temperature start increase up to the tolerable level, but soon it reach up to the 35 degree centigrade. Usually, spring season is remain dry. Thunderstorm sometimes brings some rainfall to the northern areas of Pakistan, but this season is neither cool nor hot. Therefore, its season gives us a blossoming of new flowers and plants. Now the next season is summer season. The summer season in Pakistan starts from the month of May when temperature increases throughout the country. During the month of May, June, daily temperature increase between 40 degree to 46 degree centigrade. And the last season is autumn season. Autumn season starts from October to November. In Pakistan, autumn season comes between the rainy and cold season as the day becomes shorter in early October and the land cools steadily. Now dear students, we will know about the climatic region of Pakistan. As you know, this Pakistan has a relief feature like coastal areas, plain, desert, plateaus and mountains. So diversity in physical features and location of an area with respect to sea affect the climate. As you know, that Pakistan belongs to the subtropical region of South Asia. So we have recognized 4 climatic regions in Pakistan. First of all is subtropical continental highlands. Northern and western mountains, namely Karakoram and Middle Highways, along with the hills of Chitral, Swaz, Viristan, Job and Loralai included in this region. Central Balochistan are also experience subtropical continental highland climate. Next one is subtropical continental plateau. This type of climate mainly prevail in northwestern Balochistan. The temperature is very hot and dry, and although the southwestern Balochistan receive very less rainfall in winter season. Next one is subtropical continental lowlands. This area includes the whole of Indus Plain except the coastal areas, Pothar Plateau, northern areas of submountainous areas and Thal Desert are included in this region. And the last region is tropical coastal lands. This region comprises of southern coastal strip including the Indus Delta, Karachi and the whole of Makran coast. In this area, the climate is characterized by sea breeze. Now, here we will see the impact of climate on the life of the people of Pakistan. The climate of Pakistan has much positive impact on life in the country. It encourages human energy and promotes outdoor hard work around the year. The climate of Pakistan in favor working of laborers in small scale industries as well. Climate in Pakistan also provide opportunity of working day and night. Pakistan is a large country indeed, both in area and population. Its diverse climate is a gift of nature for its people. That's all. Hope you all understand. Thank you for listening. Allah Hafiz.